Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last month, how the price of crude can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $73.15. Okay, and if you look at from 2021, that is after pandemic, what you have seen, there is a continuous upside. Okay, and if you look at this particular pattern, there is being a pattern formed. What this pattern was saying, that whenever it is going a new high, that means, see, suppose this is the high, and whenever it is hitting a new high, we have seen a fall is coming. Okay, and this fall is quite good, that is 30-40% we can see the fall is coming. As soon as hitting the fall, we have seen a U pattern is forming. After this U pattern, it tries to go upside, make a new high, and then again fall we have seen. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, this is the level. For the sixth time it would have sustained, but it didn't sustain and it came down. Okay, now if you look at the trend, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $73.16 and a probability of upside we can see. There is a two probability, what you can see. There is a clear pattern forming towards an upside, and now it is trying to form green candle. If we go on a weekly basis, I'll show you that also, that how it is trying to form on the weekly base. Or you can check my weekly videos where I explain it how it will move. Okay, see this trend, it is trying to form this trend, so chances will be very high. You have to understand, if the price started falling below a level of 71.8, a further fall we can see, and there will be a chances that it can go below a level of 68 also, because 68 is a strong support. Okay, but if it started going above a level of $84, a further upside movement we can see, because there will be a pattern forming on a monthly basis. So chances can be high that it will cross a level of around 90. After crossing a level of 85, it can touch a level of 90 also, and then further upside. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in January 2023, 2024, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. And a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around $76.50. If the price sustain this level, what is trading at 73.15. Once started going up this level, a probability that it will, if it sustain this level, chances of crossing a level of 77 will be there, and from there a probability of touching a level of around 79.54, which is also being a weak resistance. So chances are high after crossing this level, we can see it will cross this level also, and a probability of going towards a level of around 85 we can see. Okay, if you look at a monthly basis, 85 level is also being a weak resistance. So chances are high after crossing this level 77, we can see the price can cross a level of around 85 also, and can touch a level of around $88.15. Okay, and once the price started crossing a level of 88.15, then a further upside movement we can see, and from there a probability of touching a level of around 93.17 we can see after crossing a level of 88.15. Okay, if the price has started sustaining above that level 93.17, we can see it will go above a level of around $94.5, and from there a further upside movement we can see. Okay, this is what we can see looking at this particular chart. And once the price started sustaining above 94, a further upside movement we can see, because there is a clear pattern forming and chances of crossing a level of around 94.5 we can see, and from there a probability of touching a level of 98.96. This 98.96 is already being a strong resistance, so a bounce back can come from that level, or a further upside movement we can see. And this movement we can see, then it will move above a level of 100, and a probability of touching a level of 105 to a level of 108 also we can see. But if the price started sustaining above 95, I'll make another video, then explain you where it will go. Okay, now see why I'm telling you all these resistance are of some of the weak and some of strong resistance, because from the resistance a bounce back come, or a upside movement we see. Okay, so suppose, see, market is always uncertain, you have to remember this. Okay, market is always uncertain. So what you can do, suppose you started your trade, always try to set your SL if you started your trade, but once you are in profit, try to turn it to trailing SL. What will happen? You will save your profit. Whether, suppose if you are in $100,000 profit, so if you are in profit, then now make it as 70% as profit, keep it 30% for trailing. Okay, so suppose the price comes to $700, exit the trades. Then you will be in profit also. You will take the profit home also. Or you can see 10,000 you can say, 7,000 will be your profit. Whether the market goes up or down, you are safe with your profit. This is what you should be doing. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, because market is uncertain, so you have to remember, you have to trade both the sides. See, you cannot be relying on one side. Okay, because SL will protect you if the market goes against it. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards its next support, coming at a level of $69.47. Okay, if the price started moving with $69.47, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 67.67. And you have to understand, once the price started falling $67.67, a further fall we can see, and yes, a probability of crossing a level of 66.36 we can see, and from there a level of 65.40. If the price started falling $65.40, a further fall we can see, and from there a probability of touching a level of around $63.91. Okay, if the price started falling 63.91, a further downfall we can see, and it will come towards a level of $61.68. Okay, and from there a further downfall towards a level of around 60. After $61.68, it will come down to a level of 59. Okay, and once it started going below a level of 59, then we can see it will go further low, and yes, it will touch a level of around $57.34. After 59, we can see a level of 57.31, and a probability, because that is also being a weak support, so chances are high it will move further down and it will touch a level of around 54. Okay, if the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.